Hey, what's up YouTube? You know it's your boy Mr. Stocks on the Go, and we are back with a brand new video, guys, a brand new portfolio update. Please go ahead, smash that like button, tap on the notification bell, and pound on the subscription button, guys. It really does help with the algorithm of this video. And I'd like to send a big shout outs to the new subscribers, guys. We are on the road to 2,000 subscribers, which is amazing. This family, this channel has grown so much, and I want to give a big shout out to you guys. Please remember that I'll also be doing a giveaway at the 2,000 subscribers. And yeah, as I said before, it will be based on something that I said in a previous video. And you guys, I'm sure you guys will get it. It's easy, no doubt. You guys watch the videos, I see the watch times, you guys are engaging. So let's go, guys. Let's turn up. All right. Make sure you are subscribed. Make sure you're not missing a beat. Next thing I want to say is happy Victoria Day. Long weekend to all my Canadians. I know that you guys have we have a holiday. This is our long weekend. So on Monday, the trading day will be closed for the Canadian market, but it will be game on for the US market. So all my US subscribers, we're in the game. And as you know, a lot of my holdings in my portfolio is US stocks. So without further ado, guys, let's jump straight into the portfolio update. As I said before, smash that like button, guys. Let's get this video to 30 likes. All right. So as you guys can see, the portfolio is currently sitting at $11,448.32. And on the 3 month, guys, as you can see, we are up 3.94%. On the 1 month, we're up 7.8, which is amazing. And that is roughly $828. Next off, on the 1 week, we're up 2.16%. And on the 1 day, we are down. So Friday was pretty much a flat day, 0.03 minus 0.03, which is roughly $2. So not a big scratch there. Right now we're just gonna head into the holdings and let's check out what was the buys, sells of last week and what's my moves for this week. All right. So as you guys can see, we have Apple. Apple has just been blowing it out the waters, guys. If you are an Apple shareholder, please go ahead, comment in the comment section, guys. Let me know how many shares you have. I'm trying to get this to 5 shares. But Apple has had a nice run up to the 189 range, 190, and it's been bouncing back and forth right there. I do think that Apple should break through in the coming weeks, especially with Nvidia's earnings coming up. Hopefully that everything goes well right there, and the market will definitely lift after that again. All right, so we are up 7.13 all time in this position. Next off, we have Amazon, and I've just been building out this position, guys, trying to get it to that 5 share mark. Right now, we have 2.3218 shares, and all time we are down 1.59. So you know that this position, guys, I'll be dumping in some funds into it if we stay in this range, which I really like it at 184. All right. Next off, we have Bird Construction, and we have 25 shares, guys. Bird Construction just paid a dividend. I'm just going to pull it up right here on the screen for you guys. I think this was when I had 10 shares or around there, so it's not going to show the accurate amount that I will be receiving the next time the dividends come in. And this pays in monthly dividends, guys. All right. And all time we are up 8.45%. Next off, we have Energy Transfer, and we have 6 shares, 6.5843 shares. And yeah, this company I've just been buying the dip also. It has been bouncing between the $15.98, $16 range, bouncing back and forth. So I have been picking up shares under $16. This does pay a super sweet dividends too, guys. Yeah, definitely check it out if you like. Next off on the list, and we're up 0.6% overall on this position. Next off, it's Fcmo. This is a Fidelity US Momentum Index, and we have 10 shares right now. And I'm definitely building out this position. Absolutely love this ETF, guys. I have a video on this ETF. You guys can definitely check it out, going over the holdings, going over the fees. I think that this ETF definitely has a good run coming. And as you can see, we are up all time 1.93%. So I'm trying to keep my average cost under $14, but I will definitely be building out this position, and you guys will see that in the portfolio updates. All right. Next off, we have Google, or 5 shares. And guys, this is what buying the dip does. Remember, I was buying the dips on Google in the 123 range or 135 range when everybody was just turning their heads away from Google. And I was buying, and that's the importance of knowing a good company and buying the dips, guys. Forget the noise, all right? And we are up in Google all time 27.76%. And if you remember when I was buying Google, I was telling you guys this is probably the most undervalued Mag 7 company right now for you guys to be picking up. And I'll be aggressively buying Google, and I was. And this is the results. I told you guys I saw Google in the $200 range. It's at 176 right now, and Google has been killing it. All right. So next position, it's Hammond Manufacturing Company, and we have 5 shares. We're currently down in this position 0.38%. And I've recently started building out by this position, as you guys might know if you guys have been watching the previous updates. I had about 100 something shares of this company. I did sell off some on the run up, and I had explained why I had made that decision. And as you guys can see, I'm getting back in on Hammond at even a better average cost right now. So sometimes you have to make those decisions in your portfolio and stick with it. Also, guys, if you'd like to support the channel, please remember to check out the link in the description. It will also be pinned in the comment section for Wealthsimple Trade. Whereas when you sign up using my referral code, guys, deposit just $1 into your new account, you will receive $25 to help you out on your investment journey. Now that's a deal you can't beat. All right, guys, next off we have Lumine, and Lumine we have 20 shares. And as you can see, we are up 12.05% overall in Lumine. Lumine has just been killing it, guys. Definitely trying to pick up some more shares, but it has ran up so much. I think my average cost is like $33. So it has been doing an amazing job. Absolutely love this company. Guys, please do check it out. It is a spin-off of the Constellation software company, so guys, you can definitely check that out. As you know, that company has been managed exceptionally well. All right, next company we have is Microsoft, and we still have our 2 shares, and overall we're up 5.09%. And I'm happy. Remember, guys, last week I was telling you I'd love to see Microsoft in the 420 range, and it has got there in the last week's run up. So I'm really happy about that. Next off, we'll take a look at Neo, guys, and we have 103 shares and up overall in this position 2.07%. Absolutely will be building on this position. I think you guys can look to see Neo breaking out of this 520 going into the 550, even the $6 range possibly this week or the next week. Neo has been showing a lot of strong signs, and especially with the Envo release and all these great news coming out behind Neo, I definitely think that NIO still has the fumes to run. All right, and I wouldn't be surprised if we saw NIO in the $7 range. All right, we're up 2.07 in this position if I had not mentioned that already. All right, guys. Next off, we have NVIDIA 0.1312 shares. These fractionals, man. All right, let me know if you like fractionals. I don't. I recently started buying fractionals, but it's whatever. The percentage is what really matters. All right, guys. So we're up in this position 2.55%, as I was saying. That's what really matters. All right. And Nvidia has its earnings coming out this week, guys. Let me know in the comment section, what do you think? What are your thoughts? Do you think Nvidia will beat? Do you think they'll miss? Will the stock tank? Will it pop above 1,000? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Let me know right now, because I'll be giving you my thoughts at the end of this video. All right. So next off, we have Nova Nordisk, still 5 shares. It has had a pullback in the 130. I did pick up shares in, I think, the 120 range, so we're still up in this position, up 2.79%. Definitely a great company. It's located in Europe, and they are a big contributor to a lot of the products over there in Europe when it comes to healthcare, pharmaceuticals. All right. Next off, we have Palo Alto Networks, and Palo Alto Networks will be reporting their earnings also this week. So another big week for me and this portfolio. As you can see, we have 1.1019 shares, and we're currently up 7.09%. So Palo Alto has been on a run up, going into earnings. Do I like it? I like that it has been on a nice run, but kind of gets me nervous when I see stocks starting to do this going into earnings. It is a strong sign, but of recent, guys, I've seen majority of the stocks I've seen run up into their earnings. They kind of get beaten down after. So hopefully Palo Alto comes through with some good earnings and good guidance, and hopefully the stock pops to the let's say 125 range. We could see ourselves in 325, 323 around there. Hopefully, if not, we'll be taking a run back down to $300. So if you're looking to jump into Palo Alto, guys, I think you should have your eyes open this week for the earnings call. All right. Love this company, and they're in the business of cybersecurity. All right, guys. Next off, we have Palantir Technologies, 25 shares, and Palantir has been holding up very well in the $20, $21 range. Happy to see that. It looks like this is a new flooring for Palantir. So hopefully we can keep bouncing off this support and let's start making our way up to new highs. All right, guys. And we are currently up 4.68% in this position. Next off, we have SOXX. That's the iShares Semiconductor ETF. And we have 1.2279 shares. We're currently up 11.57%. I know a lot of people be like, I don't like ETFs. They're not. This is a very high growing ETF, guys. Definitely recommend you check it out. It does hold a lot of the semiconductor companies, and this is another reason why I had sold my TSM shares after the run up. And yeah, I'm just sticking with SOXX right now just to limit my risk out there. And yeah, it's been working out amazing. So as you can see, have a wicked run up from SOXX, and it has just been performing amazing. I have shares of this ETF also in my RRSP, so it has been performing well, guys. Definitely check it out. Next off, we have Visa, and we have 2 shares of Visa trying to get to that third share, 2.6124 shares, and we're currently up 2.54%. Visa is currently in the 280 range, which I hope it can stay there and break through. This has been a resistance points for us, so hopefully we can break through this 280 and make our way to 300, which would be the next resistance. All right, guys, so let's see if we can make this a support. Next off, we have ZSP, and you know me and my ZSP guys absolutely love this ETF. It is my largest position with 17 shares and 17.1122 shares. We're currently up 8.19% in this position overall. And yeah, guys, it has just been performing well. I'll also be using Fcmo as a basically another complement for ZSP. So with that being said, guys, I'm going to give you my outlook on where I think Nvidia will be after earnings. I think Nvidia will beat, and we will see that $1,000 mark. The market has been good to us over the last week, so hopefully we keep that momentum into this week, thinking positive, and that's the way that we should think. But if anything does happen, we are prepared to buy the dip. All right, guys. So that's all for today. Yeah, that's basically the updates. I am looking into either picking up shares off Walmart or Costco. Haven't really made a decision as yet, but let me know in the comment section which one you prefer, and maybe we can make that a conversation in the comment section. All right, guys, you know it's your boy Mr. Stocks on the Go. Stay invested, stay building out that generational wealth. I am out.